student at Virginia Technical Institute. I found out about HVAC when I got into Virginia CareerWorks, and my partner Jordan, she listed out a bunch of trades where I could go through, and HVAC was one of the ones she told me I should select. And I asked a couple of people around, and a lot of the older guys told me you always have a job in this trade, so I chose to go with HVAC. I started school at VTI, and I progressed in it, and later on down the road, I joined a thing called Skills USA, and I went and I competed against other people in Virginia. I ended up winning 3rd place, and I brought back a state banner. And a little ways down, in June, I started my first HVAC job with Campbell Heating and Cooling. Right now, I do installs, and whenever I'm not doing installs, I help the service techs on service. With install, it's fun because you get to put something together. So like, you're out there, you're taking something out and you're putting something in, and you get to look back at everything and be like, I did that. And like, when you're on service, when something goes wrong, or like just even like a little PM, like you get to look at everything. It's always like different sights to see, you get to meet new people, and it's always something different. You never run into the same thing. The training has been good. I've learned how to service. I learned the components of the units, indoor and outdoor, and just ways around the air handler and heat pump and the whole understanding of HVAC itself. I feel like I'm a part of like the organization, because me being here, I'm helping everybody else out and everybody's helping me out. It's a whole team, so it feels good to be able to go to VTI and work with everybody and all the instructors. At the end, I hope I'll be able to reach my goal as a future service tech. I feel like people should look into trade, because when you're in school, a lot of people push college onto you. And when you think about college, you really don't know what to go for. So I feel like thinking about a trade is pretty good, because most trades, you're always gonna have to have a job, and then somebody's gonna need that trade. As long as you got a good head on your shoulders and willing to work, you'll do fine. You just gotta stay motivated. Anybody can do it. You just gotta be determined. If you was thinking about taking a trade, come to VTI. All the instructors, they're really cool, and everybody's treated like family here. So you have like a real comfortable space being here, and it's great.